Welcome to another video, and today we're going to look at some more content. So as you can see, my website at the minute, it's looking pretty good. The home page, I've got some images with my textual content here. But if I go to news, it's just got some text. Now, I might want to add a video clip. Now, the best way to add a video clip maybe would be to put some sort of streaming video. Now, there's streaming video websites such as YouTube, which is really useful. So I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm doing a website about surfing. So I'm just going to go here, GoPro surfing. GoPro is a camera that does a lot of for extreme sports. So I can just find a video that somebody has filmed with a GoPro camera, like so, this one here. I'll just pause that video, and down at the bottom you got your like, your dislike, share, save, and so on. I'm going to click on share, and on the share option you can copy these links, as you can see, and you can post it on different websites, well, different social medias, or even email it to a friend, the link to it anyway. And you can also embed. So if I click on the embed, I get this HTML code and it's called an iframe. So you can see it's got the open tag, and here it has the close tag on the other end. And what it does, it puts in a certain width and height, which obviously you could alter if you wanted to, but it's probably best to keep it that way. And then if it's got a frame border or not, and if it auto plays or not, you can put these options in. You can see you can also change this so that it starts at a certain point. So on your website it would start 10 seconds in. You could actually choose that, and you can take off the player controls if you want to. I'm just going to click on it, Control C to copy it, go to my Dreamweaver, go to Dreamweaver, and I'm going to open up my news page. There it is. And I'm going to go to the code. Now make sure I'm on the source code, which is the HTML, not on the CSS, which is here. So source, okay. And just above news, below news, I'm going to put a few lines and paste that in. There's my iframe. Okay, so it's 560 by 315. So 560 is fine in terms of width. It's not taking up too much of the screen. So design view, save that, and you can see there's the space where the video is going to go. If I look at it on my web page, refresh news, okay, there it is. All right, now that's pretty good, but maybe you want to do it a little bit like your home page, where you've got an image and then the text, right? So we could have the text all in this space here because it's just blank at the minute. So we can do exactly the same thing as we did with our images and use exactly the same class. So under the surfing styles, we had a class here called image left or image right. And what that did was put it on the left or put it on the right and put a bit of padding around it. Okay, so I'm just going to use image left for this one. So I'll just say class, and I'm just putting it directly after my iframe. It doesn't have to be, you could put it somewhere else along here, but it's easier just to put it here, equals, and double quotes, and then I'm just going to pick image left, close those quotes and leave a space. And that's it. Design view, you can see it's already taken effect. Control S to save. And if I look at it in Google Chrome, there you go. It absolutely fits in on the page. I can press play on the video. I've got the option to do full screen. I've got all the settings as well that you could possibly want. So I can put this up into 4K, as you can see this video goes up into. And yeah, that's it.